Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Nike Sportswear FUTURA Unisex cap. I'm not sure if I said that correctly, but it's a baseball cap basically, or a cap. I'm not sure what the difference is there. And this is the cap packed in, and we're just gonna unpack it. It's black with like a what's that, silver gold kind of a metal looking thing. This is that. It looks pretty good. Well, you can also change the size of it with this thing here, and the inside looks pretty good. It's a unisex and also one size, and yeah, this is what this cap looks like. Alright, if you enjoy this video, consider subscribing and leave a like on this video. There are many other unboxing videos on my channel. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day. Thanks and bye.